Well, it keeps getting worse. Coming down heavier. I had to actually shovel my truck out for the first time in about 5 years that I've lived out here. I had to shovel my truck out. Now, I can barely get out on the road. Once I get out here, hopefully it'll roll a little better. We got through a pile of snow there. And visibility is very low here, as you can see. This is even worse than yesterday. I don't know how far I'm going to get today. I do need to get to Walmart this morning and see what happens after that. Fortunately, Walmart is just basically 2 miles, so it shouldn't be too bad, I hope, as long as everybody drives. Now here's a tractor trailer. I'm surprised because they're supposed to be banned from the roads here in western New York today. I don't know why we've got one out here on the road. Maybe they weren't aware of the ban or something, but that's how bad it's gotten. They actually banned the big rigs from even coming down the road. My truck was just literally surrounded in snow, and I just shoveled alongside it. I had almost 2 feet of snow just literally piled on top of it, and the back of the truck is still filled with snow. I roll down the road and hoping the wind will blow it out of there, but this is unreal. I haven't seen a storm like this in quite some time. I mean, we literally got almost 2 feet overnight. I don't know what the actual count is. I'll have to look that up and share those numbers. But I'm showing 17 degrees, which isn't, I mean, it's cold enough. It's not like 0 or negative digits, you know, so it's somewhat bearable anyway. And I'm not even, I don't even think I'm going to get out of the main grade to go to Walmart. I think I'll take the back road up in there. That's what it looks like out here. No fun.